here in your data, if you see in your data, in your Excel file which we imported, you have this one character called underscore. Okay, for this is for your data. I think let's say you don't want that underscore. Okay, so you have thousands of rows like this. So how are you going to replace that? Okay, with an hyphen, for example. So right click, select that particular column. Okay, and right click, replace values. Okay, find, it's similar to what you do in Excel, find and replace. Okay, it is just similar to that. Okay, replace underscore with hyphen. Okay, or if there is some you can click OK and it changes your data. It transforms your data wherever it is underscore, it changes the value to hyphen. Okay, another example, practical example I can give you is like while typing. Okay, in your Excel, when we do a manual typing, when we have a manual register for your department, you there might be a frequent mistake. For example, we might write LNT ECC, or somewhere we might write LNT ECCD, or we have LN L ampersand T, or we might have L N alphabet and T. So in that scenario, we have ambiguity in our data, right? So this is where another scenario where you can use find and replace and correct your data. Okay.